Well, Nigeria's House of Representatives has asked the federal government to make cancer screening free across the country to accommodate many patients who are unable to afford treatment, insisting that only public financing is most appropriate, sustainable and equitable solution to ameliorate the suffering of patients. The House resolution follows a motion by Oseni Aderemi, representing Ibarapa East Ido Federal Constituency of Oyo State, who noted that cancer has become a major public health challenge in the country, with the scourge fast spreading amongst Nigerians.
This important motion on the needs to subsidize the...
Oseni Aderemi in his motion expressed concern over a recent report revealing that in 2020 alone, about 125 people were diagnosed with cancer, noting that the expensive cost of cancer treatments have denied many Nigerians the needed care and treatment.
That the rising burden of cancer is causing a shortage of funding for cancer control diseases, with public financing being considered the most appropriate, sustainable and equitable solution to fund that aspect of healthcare to ameliorate the suffering of patients with cancer.
The lawmaker says the financial difficulties experienced by patients due to the complex and expensive supply chain for cancer drugs have made the federal government involvement necessary.
Mr. Speaker, the House resolved to mandate the Committee on Healthcare Services to collaborate with the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare and other relevant agencies to establish a mechanism for the federal government to provide subsidies for cancer treatments and related drugs to ameliorate the suffering of patients.
The House mandated its Committee on Healthcare Services to ensure compliance with its resolution. The House at plenary also considered and passed through second reading 2 bills, with one seeking the establishment of a Federal College of Education Technical (ICOM) in Cross River State, and another seeking to establish the Nigerian Institute of Mining and Geosciences, Garaku, in Nasarawa State.
I move a motion for a bill for an act to amend the Federal Colleges of Education Act, Cap F8, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, to provide for the establishment of the Federal College of Education Technical (ICOM) Cross River State, and for related matters. 8B 255. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
I rise to move a motion for second reading for a bill for an act to establish the Nigerian Institution of Mining and Geosciences, Garaku, to provide for courses of instruction, training, and research in the exploration and exploitation of solid minerals, for national development and for related matters.
Relevant committees were mandated by the House to ensure compliance. Ugianave Udwimo, AIT News, Abuja.
Now, former Nigerian presidents that